If you don't like boring lunches, you're not alone. Many of us find ourselves stuck in a rut, eating the same uninspiring meals day after day. It doesn't have to be this way, though. Imagine looking forward to your lunch break, knowing that a delicious, nutritious meal awaits you, but still want something easy, quick, and convenient to prepare. The good news is that healthy lunches don't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a little bit of planning and creativity, you can whip up meals that are both satisfying and good for you. Then try these healthy lunch ideas. Start with nourishing bowls. These are versatile, customizable, and packed with nutrients. You can mix and match ingredients based on what you have on hand or what you're in the mood for. Grab some quinoa, leftover chicken or beans, and greens like spinach or kale. Quinoa is a fantastic base because it's high in protein and fiber, keeping you full and energized throughout the afternoon. Add some leftover chicken or beans for extra protein, and don't forget the greens for a dose of vitamins and minerals. Drizzle with a light dressing and voila! You have a meal that's not only delicious but also balanced and nutritious. You can experiment with different dressings to keep things interesting. Think lemon tahini, balsamic vinaigrette, or a simple olive oil and lemon juice combo. Burrito bowls are your new best friend. They're easy to prepare, and you can customize them to suit your taste. Start with a base of brown rice or cauliflower rice. Add some black beans or grilled chicken, and top with your favorite veggies and salsa. Next up, satisfying sandwiches. Sandwiches are a classic lunch option, but they don't have to be boring or unhealthy. With the right ingredients, you can create a sandwich that's both delicious and good for you. Skip the soggy bread and try a Caesar pita with chicken, lettuce, and tomato. Pita bread is a great alternative to regular bread because it's less likely to get soggy, and it adds a nice texture to your sandwich. Fill it with grilled chicken, fresh lettuce, and juicy tomatoes for a satisfying meal. Pack ingredients separately and assemble at your desk for ultimate freshness. This way, you can avoid the dreaded soggy sandwich and enjoy a fresh, crisp meal every time. Salads are a breeze to make. They're versatile, easy to prepare, and can be packed with a variety of nutrients. Plus, you can make them ahead of time and store them in the fridge for a quick and easy lunch option. Mix pie lentils, canned tuna, cherry tomatoes, and a mustard dressing. Lentils are a great source of protein and fiber, and they pair well with the rich flavor of canned tuna. Add some cherry tomatoes for a burst of sweetness and a tangy mustard dressing to tie it all together. Endless combinations, endless flavor. You can mix and match ingredients to create a salad that's uniquely yours. Try adding some roasted vegetables, nuts, seeds, or even some fruit for a touch of sweetness. Pasta salads are a lunchtime hero. Prep once, eat thrice. They're easy to make in large batches and they store well in the fridge, making them a great option for meal prep. Think salmon pasta, chicken pasta, or even aubergine pasta. You can use whole grain pasta for added fiber and mix in your favorite protein and veggies. Add a light dressing or some pesto for extra flavor. Wraps, anyone? Wraps are a great alternative to sandwiches, and they're easy to eat on the go. Plus, you can fill them with a variety of ingredients to keep things interesting. Spicy chicken and avocado in a tortilla will keep you full without the post-lunch slump. The combination of protein from the chicken and healthy fats from the avocado will keep you satisfied and energized. Soup can be your cozy lunch companion. There's something comforting about a warm bowl of soup, especially on a cold day. Plus, you can make a big batch and enjoy it throughout the week. Cook a big batch of black bean and tortilla soup and pack your toppings separately. This way, you can add fresh toppings like avocado, cilantro, and lime juice just before eating, keeping your soup fresh and flavorful. There you have it. With these ideas, you can enjoy a variety of healthy, delicious, and easy-to-prepare lunches that will keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Healthy, delicious, and easy work lunch ideas. Happy packing! Remember, the key to a great lunch is variety and balance. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients and flavors to find what works best for you. Happy packing!